Everyone online says GoHighLevel is an all-in-one tool that can run your entire business. But when I first logged in, I had no idea what I was doing. And honestly, I almost quit. And the crazy part is, I've been building online businesses for over 10 years. I've used dozens and dozens of tools, and even I felt completely lost when I first opened this. So the real question is, can a complete beginner actually use HighLevel to make money? Or is this just another overhyped platform? Because in this GoHighLevel review for beginners, I'm gonna break down exactly what it is, how it works, and more importantly, I'm gonna show you the one simple way that I would use it if I was starting from scratch and I had to make my first $1,000 online. Because if you try to do everything, you're gonna fail. So just for some context, I've been making money online for over a decade now. My wife and I started The Savvy Couple in 2016, and we've used pretty much every tool you can think of. ClickFunnels, email platforms, CRMs, you name it, and we've used it. And for years, we ran our entire business on ClickFunnels, and it worked. But eventually, we outgrew it, especially when working with local businesses when we started to build our marketing agency. We needed things like SMS messaging, more advanced automations, more flexibility, and the more we grew, the more tools that we had to stack on top of each other. And at one point we had funnels in one place, email marketing in another, bookings and calendars in another. It was all duct taped together and it was complete chaos. And not only was it complicated, it was super expensive. So we made the switch to GoHighLevel to bring everything under one roof. And I thought it would be simple, but I was wrong. So what does GoHighLevel actually do? Let me break this down as simple as possible. Instead of using 5, 6, or 10 different tools, GoHighLevel puts everything in one place. You can build websites, you can build funnels, you can follow up with leads with emails or text. You can automate your entire business, whether it's an agency, an online business that sells digital products, or even a local business. So things happen without you constantly having to work or do things manually. And you can track everything in one easy to use dashboard. But honestly, if you're a beginner, you don't need to know most of that right now. You just need one thing that helps you get results. When I first logged into GoHighLevel, I was completely overwhelmed. I'm sure you can relate. There are so many features, so many tabs, so many settings, I didn't even know where to start. And I remember thinking to myself, how is this supposed to make everything easier? And honestly, I was so frustrated, I almost gave up. So if you ever opened up a tool and instantly felt lost, and here's the part that no one tells you about. Just because a tool can do everything, it doesn't mean you should use it for everything. This is where most beginners go wrong. They try to learn funnels, automations, CRM, pipeline, AI, all at once when they first get started. And their brain just completely shuts down. Because here's the truth, GoHighLevel is not hard. It's just a lot. And once you understand that, everything starts to change. For me, everything changed when I stopped trying to figure out the entire platform and just focused on one thing at a time. That's it. I started with funnels. I watched a tutorial, I learned how the menus worked, and then I built one simple funnel. And then things started to click. Then I moved on to websites. Then after that, automations. And suddenly, everything started to make sense. It went from completely overwhelming to actually really simple. And that's when I realized this isn't just a powerful tool. It's actually one of the best systems I've ever used. And you have to approach it that way too. So let's talk about what you actually care about. Can you actually make money with GoHighLevel? The short answer is absolutely yes, 100%. We personally make money with HighLevel by helping local businesses, selling our digital products, and even through their affiliate program. But if you're a complete beginner, I want you to ignore almost all of that because this is where most people get overwhelmed again. If I was starting from scratch today, here's exactly what I would do. I would focus on one thing, building simple AI websites for local businesses. That's it. No complicated automations, no advanced funnels, just a simple, smart website that captures leads for local businesses. And here's why it works so well. Every local business owner knows they need a website, and most of them either don't have one or it's outdated and it doesn't actually capture leads. And now with GoHighLevel's AI Studio Builder, you can create something professional within 5 to 10 minutes. And then you simply go to these business owners and say something simple like, hey, I help businesses like you get more customers online with a better online presence. You're not selling a software, you're selling them results. More leads, more customers, and more revenue coming into their business every month. And that's all they honestly care about. Now at this point, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds good, but is this actually legit? And I had to ask the same question when I was first looking into GoHighLevel. So I started digging into what other people were saying. And this is actually one of the things that surprised me the most. GoHighLevel has a 4.9 star out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot with over 13,000 positive reviews. That's not just a handful of people. That's thousands of real users, agencies, business owners, and people actually using the platform every single day. Now, I do want to be real with you. This is not a magic button. There is a learning curve. You will feel overwhelmed at first. And if you're expecting instant results, this probably isn't for you. But if you're willing to slow down, focus on one thing, and actually take action, this can be one of the most powerful tools you will ever use that's going to help you make money online. And honestly, once you get past that initial learning curve, this is hands down the best all-in-one platform I've ever used. And the best part is they keep adding new features and improving it every single week and every single month. It literally blows my mind with what they continue to add. It just keeps getting better and better over time. And I want to say this because it's important. I'm not some super technical person. I was working as a jail deputy. My wife was a teacher. We're just normal everyday people. And if we can figure this out, so can you. And the cool thing about GoHighLevel is, once you understand how to navigate it and just get around the platform, everything becomes super simple. It's actually not that complicated. It just feels that way at first. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Do not try to learn everything, and do not try to sell everything. This is where beginners fail, and they try to pitch every feature to business owners. And to be honest, business owners do not care about features. That's the last thing they want. All they care about is results. Getting them more results. So instead of saying I build funnels and automations and CRMs, say I help get more customers for you. That's it. Keep it super simple. Problem, agitate, solution. You're going to pick a problem that they have, whether it's missing calls, not following up quick enough, not enough Google reviews. You're going to agitate that for them and make sure they understand why that's a big problem. And then you're going to give them a solution by using GoHighLevel. It's really that simple. So, is GoHighLevel worth it for beginners? 100% yes. If you're willing to keep it simple and take action. But no, if you're trying to look for something that's easy with zero learning curve. But if your goal is to build an online income, create more freedom, and actually build something long-term, GoHighLevel is the most incredible, powerful tool ever to help you do that. I'll have a link in the description to grab a free 30-day trial to GoHighLevel and my free course to give you all of my scripts, templates, and bootcamp to help you get started and get your first paying client. And before you go, I highly recommend watching this next video right here. This is where I show you step-by-step how to build a website using GoHighLevel and actually sell it to local businesses. Go watch this one next. I'll walk you through every single step. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Peace.